Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add webcam overlays in OBS Studio. This is a great way to make your webcam look more professional by adding borders, frames, graphics, or other visual elements around your camera. First, open OBS Studio and select the scene where your webcam is already added. If you don't have a webcam source yet, click the plus icon in the Sources section, choose Video Capture Device, select your webcam, and add it to the scene. Now, to create an overlay, you can add an image file containing your webcam frame or graphic. Click the plus icon under Sources and select Image. Give the source a name, then browse your computer and select your overlay image. Place the overlay above your webcam source in the sources list. This is important because sources higher in the list appear in front of sources below them. Next, resize and position your webcam so it fits perfectly inside the overlay. You can drag the corners of the webcam source or use the transform options for more precise positioning. If your overlay has transparent areas, make sure you're using a PNG image with transparency. This allows your webcam video to remain visible through the transparent parts of the design.